Hi guys, today we will talk about how can you join two groups on your Roblox app. We'll go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that. So all you have to do is to just go down here, you click here on this sign here down, then it's going to take you here in this window, and all you have to do so just click here on groups here, then it's going to take you here in this window. So just switch into open videos. So then you come here to all groups here you have. So can you we will go to choose this group. For example, here I'm click here, and it's going to take us inside of this groups here, and all you have to do to join this group, so just click here on one group here, and it's going and you go to join this group. So that's all you have to do here. So just switch into open video like this, and you click here on start here, and you just switch in, and here they will check if you don't robo here. So and you click here on some chair. So and like you see now, so I'm going to try again here. So like this, and you just click, and it's going to take you to inside of your group. So that's all you have to do to join our group. So that's all. Thank you for your watching. Like you see now, I'm in group. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.